Hello everyone, Richard Cates here, General Manager with Nissan of LaGrange, and I have very little time left and very few Altimas left for the rest of this month. So what that means to you, we have $5,000 off all in stock Altimas. And I'm gonna turn this around so you can kind of get a look at all that I have left here. We still have some SR special editions, we do have some midnight editions, and we also have S models. And when you talk about $5,000 off, you're talking about buying an S model Altima for under $20,000. So you're able to get a great vehicle at an incredible price. In addition to doing the $5,000 off, I want every one of these cars gone before this month is over. So what I'm gonna do is also give you 3 years of maintenance at Nissan of LaGrange for free. So you'll get $5,000 off and 3 years of maintenance at Nissan of LaGrange for free. So hurry in, you have about a little less than 2 weeks left. I've got about 15, 16, 17 of these Altimas that need to go and have to go in that amount of time. So come and see me, $5,000 off, 3 years of maintenance. I look forward to seeing you guys.